Welcome to MyChart. Once you have a MyChart account, you can see all of your upcoming and past appointments, ask your provider questions through messaging, and see your test results. Let's get started. Here are the steps for setting up an account. First, go to MaineHealth.org and click on MyChart at the top of the page. The page will look similar to this. Next, click on Sign Up Now. Do not fill out any of the info on this page. Just click on the Request Online button. This will take you to the next page. Let's follow along as this sample patient fills out the form. Fill out as much information as you can. The more, the better. This will help with certifying your information on the next step. There are several fields marked with an asterisk. These are required fields, so you must fill them out. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a CAPTCHA box. Check the box next to "I am not a robot" to continue. You will be asked to verify items in a picture, like the one below. Click on the boxes that contain any part of the item the question is asking. Next, you'll be asked to answer some questions about yourself to verify your identity. This is to make sure your account is secure. The questions come from Precise ID through Experian, a third-party program that will help with this self-sign-up. They verify your identity to ask you random, multiple-choice questions. You may be asked questions like, "What is your current age?" "Which of the previous businesses have you been associated with?" Or, "What is a previous phone number?" The questions change every time. You'll always have the option to select none of the above if none of the choices are correct. Completing this step helps keep your account secure. Once you've answered all of the questions correctly, you'll be asked to create a username and password for MyChart. Please write this down and keep it in a safe place. You'll need this information to log in next time. You'll need to verify your email to set up the email notifications. The last thing to do is to accept the terms and conditions by clicking the green button. Congratulations! You are now logged in to MyChart. If you currently have an active MyChart account, or if the system is not able to verify your information, you will get one of these messages with instructions on what to do. If you are unable to complete the account setup or just need assistance, please call the MyChart help desk at the number on your screen.